Welcome back to PZ Adventures. We are here at the Magic Kingdom today. I'm Michelle.
I'm Daniel.
This is the last day of the fireworks for Happily Ever After. Today is September 29th and it's the last day of Happily Ever After. So we're here for that last fireworks show. Are you sad to see it go? Well, the Confectionary opened as well, so we're gonna take a look at that store. So come with us and let's see what we can do today. This store has been completely remodeled. It was shut down for a few weeks. It's now sponsored by Mars. So we have all type of M&Ms and Skittles. That's some 50th anniversary chocolates. 50th anniversary wraps for the popcorn. Here's the popcorn station. Like you can pick your popcorn, select your syrup, and combine with candies. So cool. Here we are at their Emporium. They have their Halloween stuff. They have a Daniel spinning. They have zero.
Is it the same one?
No, but this one is different. The only thing that's different this year, I think, is the ears.
I'll take it.
You want me to take it? Hey, pumpkin.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get it. Holy moly.
Oh, we're talking about the hood.
Maleficent. It's a spirit jersey.
How many guys?
3.
You guys can have it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The Disney Vault collection. There goes Mr. Toad. He's my favorite. Oh, look, the ticket. It's a seat ticket. That is so cool. The lunchbox. That's nice. Get the Starbucks cup. They even have the Starbucks pins. That pin is nice.
Open it.
Oh, you can open it? Ah,
It's a lunchbox.
that is so cute. It has all the treats. That's nice.
I just keep wanting this to be fun, even though it's a little big, Matt.
Yeah.
Very excited.
You wanna
Wish there was a place I can put my cell phone.
your backpack?
No, because I want it accessible. Oh well. I guess I don't need the mask. Are you excited? You don't need your
Kinda.
mask here.
I know.
Alright, give me my bags.
No, I'm holding your bags.
Do I want to show what I bought?
Oh, okay. Shopping haul. Shopping haul. Insert
Oh, I
big
can-
letters here.
We got some popcorn. Cheddar popcorn, because that's my favorite. We have 2 bags of cheddar popcorn. And we have a Halloween pillow.
Oh, I thought it was the one we already had though.
Hey, Pumpkin.
Hey, pumpkin.
It is the 2021 version of the one I have.
Alright.
Then from the Vault collection.
The Vault.
Yes.
The Vault collection.
From the Vault collection we have a back scratcher.
Didn't you used to have that as a kid?
I used to have this when I worked here for a college program. I had bought it at, I don't know, I bought it back in 1994. And I had this. Then this is an original map from Magic Kingdom from opening day.
Approved.
I wanted that. Then I have these pins.
Those are, one of them is a pin, one of them
One
is
of
a
them
patch.
is a patch. Is it a patch? Yeah, it's a patch.
It's a patch. No Sour Patch
For a
Kids.
minute, I thought it was a sticker. And then we have this set right here.
One pin. And
Pin
the patch.
and patch.
Oh, I didn't see the patch, sorry.
This is my favorite one.
The lunchbox with the
The snacks are inside.
focus. Focus.
Two.
Got it.
Alright.
Good. That's popcorn, not rice.
The other thing I have in here that I don't want to get out is the Mr. Toad's
Shirt.
shirt. I don't. She folded it so nicely. I don't want to get it out. But are you excited?
Turn around for that.
It's 8:01, and this is what we're looking at. That is something. 5 minutes till showtime. 5 minutes till showtime.
Take your pictures.
Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue it, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we want to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, but the world till we come. Feelings right away. What's the moment? On the floor. Sparks lit and humans of fire. Setting out for you tomorrow.
That's what friends
Oh.
Some people are worth melting for.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. To feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Everything is different now that I see.
That's my favorite part. Lo dañan con esta parte.
Now, blue.
for me.
Looking something yourself.
You got a signal that's impressive.
Than what you have become.
Where the clouds will cheer when they see my face. And the voice keeps saying, this is what I'm meant to be. And so our journey comes to an end.
No.
But yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own. Now go. Let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily after.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory.
We're changed by the way we live every day. Just wake up and reach to the sky.
We all have the courage to fly.
At 8:40, trying to exit. There's a lot of people, but not as much as other days. The park closes today at 10, so that means that some people are leaving, some people are staying. We had a great time watching the last show of Happily Ever After, and now heading home. Have a good night, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Goodbye!